What's up, guys? Back when it was 2-Minute Tuesday. Oh, Tuesday. This time it's I guess it's a video for any F-Gen BMW.
Yeah. But what we're going to be doing is replacing this button right here. As you can see, I got one right here, and it says off on it. And so this one is cooked, because every time the car turns on, you have to like spam this to turn the AC back off. So it's very simple. I got this credit card here. If you're broke...
Hold on, don't show the...
Okay. There's no numbers on it.
Okay, bet.
But yeah, if you don't have a credit card, then use like a screwdriver or something, but you just need something thin. But I'm just going to press the left side to make it like come out a little, and then I'm going to take the card and then like pull it out.
Boom.
It was simply that easy.
And it shouldn't use a lot of force.
Yeah, that was pretty simple.
So then to reinstall the new one, he's going to, step 1, take it out of the container.
Facts. You know this is OEM BMW right there. You can see made in BMW.
Oh yeah, China new. I mean, that spells BMW, right?
Yeah. So we're going to take this fresh OEM part and put it in right here. So I'm just going to like rocker it in basically. So like push him from one side, and then I'll push in from the other side.
And there you have it.
Wait, I think I put the wrong side in actually. Okay, so you actually don't want to put the wrong side in. These are based on which side they are. So the left side has like the curve on the off side, and then the right side has the curve on the not off side.
Also, the off should just be on the left side.
Yeah. So I'm gonna do this, press it in on the left like that, and then just like hit him with one of the biggies.
And boom.
And it's only a completely different color than all the other ones. But
that's probably because these are used, or maybe.
Yeah, but this is OEM BMW, so it has to be, right?
Yeah. I mean, we showed you. It said made in China, which spells BMW.
I mean, I didn't go to school, but if I did, I'd probably know what that means.
Don't worry, I did. So.
But yeah, so that's how you can do it. If you have one that's the same color, it'll probably work the same way.
Yep. So yeah, with that, hope you all learned something. We'll see you in the next.
Yep.